In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to convert any photo into Ghibli art in 1 minute. Now, this procedure is common for both Android and Apple devices, but I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android phone. So, get hold of an Android device and all you have to do is get to Google Play directly, or if you have an iPhone, get to the App Store and download ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is an AI bot or an AI assistant that could help you not only to create Ghibli art but also answer different questions, whatever questions you may have. It is going to give you an interesting answer. If you want to create poems or if you want to create maybe a script for a YouTube video or whatever it is, it could help you to do so. Once you do a search for ChatGPT and you find it, install it on your phone and then you open the application once it is installed. Once you open the application, if it is your first time, you do not have an account, just sign up for a free account, verify your email address and you log in. After you log in, this is going to be your dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you have a search box out here in which you could ask for anything to ChatGPT. But what we're going to do here is create a Ghibli image. So just click on the plus sign, just click on photos, and then you upload the photo from your phone directly that you're wanting to convert to a Ghibli image. So I checkbox that, click on add, and just put in a prompt. So you simply ask ChatGPT to convert the photo into Ghibli art studio style. Just put in this prompt and click on this arrow button. And within a minute, ChatGPT is going to give you the Ghibli art. You could click on the image, you could save it to your device, and you could use it wherever you want, like maybe your WhatsApp profile photo or upload it on Facebook and stuff like that. And normally, ChatGPT may just ask you to wait for 10 minutes to convert another photo into a Ghibli art. But if you do not have to wait, if it is allowing you to convert another image into Ghibli art immediately, go ahead and do so. But if it is not allowing you to do so and you want to convert unlimited images or multiple images, what you could do is sign up for another account with ChatGPT or multiple accounts with ChatGPT if you have other email addresses, and you could convert multiple photos at a time into Ghibli art. I hope this helps and you got some value out of my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up. Take care, my friend.